Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I had a request today to take a look at DJT, which is Trump Media and Technology. I haven't looked at this in years. I'll give you a story behind that, but as you can see, it's a very beautifully technical chart. You make a perfect ABCD pattern down here on the equinox there in September. Perfect. Look at that beautiful butterfly pattern. Where do you rally to? Exactly up to the 61% retracement. Oh, please tell me that I'm not having trouble. Oh, you know what? There, I'm sorry. I forgot to hit the go live. This is Donald Trump Enterprises, Trump Media. Went up. There's your bottom right here on the equinox. We rally up. There's the election. There's what we've done so far. Follows very nicely the patterns. It makes a beautiful ABCD pattern. The only thing I remember about this stock, I'm going to go back to a weekly to see. Well, it'll have to be a monthly. Let's just go back and look. Oh, it doesn't go back that far. Let's try weekly, but it probably doesn't have much. No, it doesn't. I don't have enough data for this. I shouldn't even be messing around with it. Yeah. Well, anyway, you can see it was supposed to be 180, but this goes back a long time, folks. All I remember from the dot-com bubble days and stuff like that was that it was trading at around 25, and he came on CNB and said his company was in play for 35. And, of course, it went from 25 down to 9 or 10 or whatever it was. And anyway, that's a stock, and it's just trading around. Now, all of the news, of course, is about DeepSeek, which is supposed to take over NVIDIA. And NVIDIA is actually rallying pretty good today after having a pretty good, and this is why we're having a strong move here in the NASDAQ. We'll get there. You can see here, well, it hasn't rallied that much, but this is what it's done so far. There's it. We made the big ABCD to the downside. You can see that right there. Looking at a longer term picture there, that's a pretty big break. It broke down below the yearly lows, so that in itself is pretty nasty. So what I'd be watching here is I don't know if this thing about DeepSeek is right. In fact, I don't even trust crypto, so don't listen to what I have to say. But 128 is your 382 retracement, which is also the high of yesterday. So that may or may not mean anything. Our guest today will be Norm Winsky of Astro Trends, and he's always going to have some good information for us. We've got a lot of things happening that we'll be talking about when we come up from our break here that we're going to have in just a few seconds, okay? So we'll be right back.